The automatic dimension function will display all the measurements included in the baseline of the dimension tool. The dimensions used with this function only detects the walls and partitions of the project, so the lines or arcs of Dibac will be ignored. To see how this works, let's click on the automatic dimension icon. This tool requires enabling the orthogonality locking to make sure the dimensions are completely horizontal or vertical. I have to click outside the first wall to get the full dimension of the enclosure. Now I click outside the last enclosure and you'll see that I get all the dimensions automatically. This tool will display the measurements between every two lines belonging to a wall entity. This is good, but imagine I want to ignore the wall thicknesses. I can set the minimum distance that will be displayed with this tool. For this, I go to Dimension Style Editor, and in this field, I type the minimum value that Dibac will show with the dimension tools. In this case, the thickest wall is 25 cm, so I type 0.26. Now I can draw another baseline and verify that the measurements below 26 cm are omitted. As you can see, this function can save you a lot of time. Just make sure that the walls have been drawn with the wall tool, the orthogonality is enabled, and you click outside the areas you want to measure.